Hey fellas, we have the good old DDF482 and it's just not working. And I know the customer told that bought one of the drill from me, screw it in the 4 or the 5 short screws and the drill stopped, so I don't know. I sold the used drill for this one and the customer screwed it in the 4 or 5 screws, then bring it the drill not the same day but only a few months after that, so I don't know. And the customer bring in the 3 of them, so I don't know which one was sold by me. So let's just check what's wrong for these drills. So this one is definitely overheating because the brush is melted into the plastic piece, and we can see that the brushes here are ended. The armature looks a little bit dark, so I will open it. Okay, what can we see here? We can see that the armature are a little bit dark. This one had a back contact here, and definitely when I'm selling the used drills like this, I'm changing the brushes, so this one is definitely not screwing in the 5 screws and stopping. Okay, let's take some sanding paper. Okay, let's take this drill. Okay, the Commutator looks better now, so let's try to put the drill back and maybe just a small clean here. Okay, this one definitely seen some dirt and humidity. But this is a cheap tool, not water. Diversing it, cleaning all and so on. Okay. Let's check what we can do here, and yeah, now I left a lot of dust here, but we need to check if the tool works or not, and if the tool works, then we can offer the customer the brushes, the cleaning and so on. Because if you will clean it and the customer will tell that he don't want to change the armature, for example, what you will do then? Put the dirt back? No, you will just be working for free. Okay, I cannot. Okay, why I cannot install it? Okay. Let's insert this wire if it's needed. I don't know, I think it's not very needed here, but okay, if it is here, it is. Okay, now I need to check, search for the brushes. Have the brushes CB440. You can find them in my shop or in any local Makita powertools shop. Okay, now we want to see them moving easily. Okay, let's check. Yep. Moving easy. First thing we need to test is, yep, it works. So now I will close it. Don't run it for a long time without a back cover. So it's a good working drill again, and that was only the brushes for this one. For you, press thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and bye.